Hi.
Braces are off.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
Feel good, thanks.
8 months. Long journey?
Long in, I think any time in brace wear was a long time. But,
Fine. But
8 months was quick.
Quicker than we thought it was going to be. Fine. Well, here's your teeth. Tell me what you think.
Yeah, hell of a lot better. Thank you. Yeah.
You got the picture there in front of you to show you what they were like beforehand.
Yeah.
We also built up some of the edges and tidied things up as well a little bit, didn't I?
You did a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's been the hardest thing the whole journey?
Hardest thing? I think it's just not being able to eat properly.
Fine.
Yeah, so looking forward to it.
And how are things going to change for you going forward?
Going forward?
Yeah.
I don't know.
More smiling?
Enjoying my food. More smiling, yes. That was the difficult thing actually. Smiling in like Instagram or Facebook pictures.
You were hiding.
I was kind of didn't know how to smile, but getting to it.
But now?
Now, yeah, I'll be able to smile.
Showed off. Perfect. Thank you.